All right, my beauties, conditional probability, page 1. So first we just want to remember just basic probability. So P of A means the probability of A, whatever event A is. And probability is just the number of ways to get what you want over the total number of possible ways. Okay. Then we have three things: union, intersection, and conditional. So union is this kind of U shape, A, U, B. It means A or B. But in math, or is A or B or both. So it's the number of ways to get A or B or both over the total number of ways. Intersection, this upside down U, means A and B. So you have to have A and B at the same time. You have to have both of them. So it's the number of ways to get both of them at the same time over the total number of possible things you can get. Okay. Then we have this new thing called conditional probability. And it's this vertical line, and it reads A given B. So B is basically your new population. You're only looking at the items, the people, the events, that whatever that are in B. You're not looking at everything anymore. You're only looking at B. So this is the number of ways to get A and B, but instead of divided by the total number of ways, it's divided by the number of ways to get B. So we're going to go back to our chocolate and vanilla versus SoCal and NorCal. So probability of NorCal, that's just basic probability. So the number of people in Northern California divided by the total number of people. This is Southern California or vanilla. This means anybody that's in Southern California and or anybody that chose vanilla. So basically I'm adding these three numbers together. And so that gives me the 12,344 out of the entire population. This is Northern California and chocolate. So that's the overlap. So that's just that number right there, the number of people from Northern California that chose chocolate, divided by the total number of people. Here's our conditional. Vanilla given NorCal. So NorCal is our new population. So we're only looking at this row only. Out of this row, 3,588 people chose vanilla out of a total of 6,010. All right, so this is just probability of chocolate, total number of people that chose chocolate out of the grand total. Here's another conditional probability, NorCal given vanilla. So given vanilla, so now we're only looking at the vanilla column. That's it, just in this column, how many people were from NorCal. And so we have the 3,588 out of the 7,612. The probability, if we randomly pick someone that they chose both chocolate and vanilla, well, that's 0. They had to choose their favorite, chocolate or vanilla. They couldn't choose both, so that is a probability of 0. This is Southern California or chocolate. So they either had to be from Southern California or they had to choose chocolate. So basically I'm adding those three numbers together right there to get 11,178 divided by the grand total. So that's finding a bunch of different probabilities using a two-way table.